Hey everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing good. So we know it's AI wave and artificial intelligence and machine learning. These are the trendiest and the hottest skills in demand. But in this field also there are so many job roles. So what kind of roles are basically driving this AI revolution? In this video, I am going to break down 5 of the most exciting and the high paying AI ML careers and the skills you need to succeed and from where you can learn AI and ML and make a career in this field. So let's start. Do you know, according to a NASCOM report published last year, by 2025, India needs over 1 million high tech engineers or AI professionals. So the demand for AI ML expertise is skyrocketing. And the salaries are highly lucrative in this field. Entry level positions starting at in the range of 12 to 14 LPA and the senior positions reaching 50 LPA and more as reported by Glassdoor. So the future is here. It is powered by artificial intelligence. From those self-driving cars to smart assistants, AI is reshaping industries and creating high demand and high paying careers. So let me tell you first what are those 5 most exciting AI/ML careers. First is AI/ML engineer. These are basically backbone of AI driven automation. These AI engineers they design, build and deploy machine learning models that help the businesses to automate their tasks, make data driven decisions and improve the efficiency. So these are basically the backbone of this AI driven automation. And the skills required are some languages like Python, Java programming, machine learning algorithms, and frameworks like TensorFlow, and cloud computing also, like you have knowledge of AWS and Azure, these things. Next role is this deep learning specialist. So they basically what they do is deep learning specialist design and optimize neural networks for the task like image recognition and autonomous driving, natural language processing. The skills required for this is what you have uh, great knowledge of like neural network architectures, then framework like TensorFlow, and GPU acceleration for AI model training. And obviously, you have to be very good in math, like linear algebra, calculus, and optimization. Next is so you must have chatted before with virtual assistant, all thanks to NLP engineer. These expert teach machines to understand human languages, and the skills required are you have experience or the knowledge of these NLP libraries and transformer models, plus text experience with text processing and linguistic and machine learning pipelines, LLMs, and generative AI like ChatGPT 4. And the next one is data scientist. They are basically storyteller of data. They uncover trend, they build predictive models, and they convert the raw data into actionable insights. Okay, the skills required are data analysis using Python, statistics, modeling, some like those libraries, pandas, NumPy, machine learning, predictive modeling, data visualization. These are some skills required for data scientist. Next is last but not the least is computer vision engineer. These are you can say these are eyes of AI. They enable machines to interpret the visual data. So, these engineers develop AI models that allow machines to see and analyze images and videos. So, skills required for this are you have knowledge of some framework like OpenCV and like CNN architectures and image processing. You have be good in deep learning frameworks and 3D geometry, and you have the knowledge of like object detection models like YOLO and all. So these are not just job roles, they are the opportunities to shape the future, and we know the future is AI. Do you know AI market is so powerful that the one AI tool wiped out $1 trillion from the market overnight. You must have heard about DeepSeek R1 model, which is a chat GPT's alternative. Okay, and it's shaking up the tech giants. So you can also be a part of this revolution, and with the right training and the guidance you can also be at the forefront of AI innovation. So if you are interested to make your career in this field, then you have a golden chance to study to learn AI/ML from IIT Guwahati, ranked number 7 in NIRF India ranking. You can go for their credit linked AI and ML program from Daksh Gurukul and IIT Guwahati, but it's not that much easy. They also conduct a qualified test. So if you clear that test, then only you can enroll in this program. And total 250 seats are available for the next upcoming batch, and the qualified test is on coming Sunday. In this test, they are going to cover the topics mathematics, basic programming, problem solving abilities, and statistics. It is a 9 month structured program having industry driven curriculum developed by IIT Guwahati faculty and industry experts, covering deep learning, NLP, neural network, computer vision, advanced predictive modeling, machine learning algorithm, AI ethics, and real world AI applications, and much more. So it is designed for students and working professionals with just 10 hours per week. So it's like a second chance for you to study at an IIT, even if you missed out on J. You will get here live mentorship, hands-on projects, and structured learning from IIT Guwahati faculties. Plus, you will also earn 15 transferable academic credits from Daksh Gurukul, which is recognized globally, and IIT backed AI and ML certification that strengthen your career prospects in India and abroad. And you will also get access to IIT Guwahati's exclusive LM network, opening doors to many top AI job opportunities. And you will also get to work on real world AI projects in industries like automation, healthcare, fintech, robotics. And you also have a chance to learn from leaders at AstraZeneca, Finbox, Fractal. So, like this, you will be able to build a AI portfolio for you that top recruiters will notice, and that also without a price tag of 3 to 5 lakhs, because the cost of this program is quite reasonable. And one more thing, if you take the test and do not enroll in the program, then the qualified test registration fee is fully refundable. So hurry up because the seats are filling fast. The link is in the description box of this video, and all the other details also you will get in the description box of this video. So go and check out. So that's it for this video now. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care.